मालूम चलेगा ना. एनीवे, तो गैस लॉ. फर्स्ट, Boyle's law. Boyle's law. Boyle's law क्या होता है? At a constant temperature, at a constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. क्या?
At a constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume.
Pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Right?
Yes, sir.
And standard pressure is standard pressure is equal to 760 millimeter of Hg or 76 centimeter of Hg. Right? Standard temperature, standard pressure, standard temperature is equal to 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Right? Standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Right? And standard volume of 1 mole of a gas volume of 1 mole gas is equal to 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. Right? These are the standard values. Pressure is inversely proportional to volume or vice versa. Get it? This is VM. Now, this is basically Boyle's law. This is the values which you have to keep in mind. Right? It is not a part of Boyle's law. Okay, what next? Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Then you go through with Charles' law. Charles law. Charles law. Charles law at constant pressure, at constant at constant pressure, at constant pressure, at constant pressure, volume is directly proportional, volume is directly proportional, directly proportional proportional directly proportional to temperature, right? At constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature. So V is directly proportional to T, or you can write V is equal to K into T, where K is equal to 1. So we can write V is equal to V upon T is equal to K, right? Or we can write V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2, right? Same with Boyle's law. With Boyle's law, Boyle's law, Boyle's law, Boyle's law क्या होता है?
It is a constant.
Boyle's law is equal to P is directly proportional to V. So we can write P is, inversely proportional to V. So P is equal to K upon V, where K is having value 1. So you can write PV is equal to K, or we can write P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. You get this? Done?
Yes, sir.
फिर तुम्हारी किताब में क्या लिखा है? गैस इक्वेशन.
Behavior and characteristics of property of gases.
एक मिनट. Just should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
No, gas equation. Gas law. Now we have gas equation. Gas equation is, you know, PV, we can write V is directly proportional to V is directly proportional to T. So you can write V is equal to K into T. This is Boyle's law. No, this is Charles' law. Charles' law. P is inversely proportional to V. We can write V is inversely proportional to P. So we can write V is equal to K upon P into P. This is Boyle's law. Boyle's law. Boyle's law. So what will be? PV is equal to K. Right? Put it in this equation. PV is equal to ठीक है, V is equal to, so we can write V is equal to K into T upon P, right? So we can write P V upon T is equal to K, or you can write P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. This is gas equation, right? P V PV upon T is equal to K, right? This is
gas equation.
वैसे gas equation जो होता है, in case of K we write here R. So it is PV is equal to R into T, right? आगे जब we will go in higher classes, then we will go like this is the gas equation we have, where R is having a gas constant, and for n moles of gases, n moles of gas PV is equal to nRT, right? Yeah, we can write it R is equal to PV is equal to weight upon molar mass into R into T. This is weight. This is weight of substance. And this is molar mass of substance. You get that? This much we have about gas equation. So this much we have about gas equation, right? But presently Here, this time we will go with this only. That is gas equation, a gas law. We will say P1, P1, V1 upon T1 is equal to P2, V2 upon T2. This will be right.